Early life and education. Born on December 14, 1960, in Mashhad, Iran, studied Islamic law and jurisprudence in Oman, Mashhad, earned a PhD in Islamic law from the Supreme Islamic Jurisprudence College. Career. Began his career in the judiciary in 1981, served as a prosecutor, judge, and Deputy Chief Justice of Iran, appointed Attorney General of Iran in 2014, became Chief Justice of Iran in 2019, elected President of Iran in 2021. Presidency. Took office on August 5, 2021, focused on economic development, poverty reduction, fighting corruption, maintaining a hardline stance on the nuclear deal, relations with the US. Political career. Member of the Assembly of Experts, 2007 present. Member of the Expediency Discernment Council, 2017 present. Chief Justice of Iran, 2019 to 2021. President of Iran, 2021 present. Relations with other countries. United States. Raisi has maintained a hardline stance against the US, opposing the nuclear deal and criticizing US sanctions. Saudi Arabia. Raisi has called for improved relations with Saudi Arabia, but tensions remain due to regional rivalries. China and Russia. Raisi has strengthened ties with China and Russia, seeking economic cooperation and strategic partnerships. European Union. Raisi has been critical of EU policies, particularly regarding the nuclear deal and sanctions. Middle East. Raisi has supported Iran's regional allies, including Syria and Hezbollah, and has called for increased regional cooperation. Visits to Pakistan. In 2022, Raisi visited Pakistan and met with Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif and other officials to discuss economic cooperation, trade, and regional security. He also visited the Pakistan-Iran border and emphasized the importance of strengthening border security. Visits from Pakistan to Iran. In 2022, Pakistani Foreign Minister Bilawal Bhutto Zardari visited Iran and met with Raisi to discuss bilateral relations and regional issues. In 2023, Pakistani Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif visited Iran and met with Raisi to discuss economic cooperation, trade, and energy partnerships. Key discussions and agreements. Economic cooperation. Raisi and Pakistani officials have discussed increasing trade and investment between the two countries. Energy partnerships. Iran and Pakistan have agreed to enhance cooperation in the energy sector, including gas pipelines and electricity trade. Regional security. Raisi and Pakistani officials have emphasized the importance of strengthening regional security and combating terrorism. Iranian President Ebrahim Raisi's last visit to Pakistan. Date and duration. Ebrahim Raisi's last visit to Pakistan was from April 22 to 24, 20. Purpose. The primary purpose of the visit was to discuss regional and bilateral relations, aiming to boost trade and resolve border issues. Meetings and discussions. Raisi met with top Pakistani leadership, including Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif, President Asif Ali Zardari, and Chief of Army Staff General Asim Munir, to discuss security and economic issues. Agreements and MOAs. The two sides signed 8 Memoranda of Understanding, MOAs, and agreed to increase trade to $10 billion in the coming years. Visits to cities. Raisi visited major cities, including Lahore and Karachi, and met with officials of the Sindh provincial government. Iranian President Ebrahim Raisi died in a helicopter crash on May 19, 2024, prompting an investigation. First Vice President Mohammad Mokber was appointed interim president until elections in late June 2024. Mokber's appointment highlights the influence of Iran's parastatal sector, which includes powerful foundations and companies. The country's aging air fleet, hindered by US sanctions, poses a significant risk to passenger safety, with nearly 1,800 accidents reported since the revolution. Introduction. A. Iranian President Ebrahim Raisi dies in helicopter crash. B. Raisi was a hardliner and potential successor to Supreme Leader. 2. Crash details. A helicopter crashed in foggy conditions in mountainous area. B. Location, northwest Iran, near Azerbaijan border. C. Passengers, Raisi, Foreign Minister Hossein Amir-Abdollahian, and other officials. D. Cause, bad weather hindered rescue efforts. 3. Events leading up to crash. A. Raisi attended ceremony to inaugurate dam with Azerbaijani President Ilham Aliyev. B. IV. Aftermath. Raisi buried at Imam Reza Shrine in Mashhad, one of holiest sites in Shiite Islam. V. Implications. A. Raisi's death may impact Iranian politics and succession. B. Uncertainty surrounding circumstances of crash.